Meaning of Hispanist.
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 Hispanist. The term Hispanist refers to a scholar or expert in the field of Hispanic studies, which encompasses Spanish language, literature, culture, history, and other related disciplines. A Hispanist may specialize in the study of a particular country or region where Spanish is spoken, such as Spain, Mexico, or Latin America. They may also focus on a specific area of research within the broader field of Hispanic studies, such as linguistics, literary criticism, or cultural studies. Overall, a Hispanist is a highly knowledgeable and skilled professional who contributes to the understanding and appreciation of Hispanic cultures and languages around the world.